Hey guys, in this video we will look at the best over the sink dish rack in the market. So, if you are looking to buy one, then this video is for you. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 1, Kraus KRM10 Roll-Up Rack. First up on the list is the KRM10 Dish Drying Rack by Kraus. This rack, in particular, should not be confined only to the task of drying dishes. It can do a lot more than just drying. It also rolls up to save space. You can fit it easily inside a cabinet drawer for easy storage. The rack's made of silicone-coated steel rods. The silicone layer protects the steel from rust and makes the rack heat-resistant. This thing is made of high-end stainless steel with a thick silicone coating on the surface. The coating makes it completely dishwasher-safe and food-grade. Also, the use of silicone makes it rust-proof and easy to clean. The rack can be used in multiple ways. The design allows for a lot of versatility. It can be used to clean and dry fruits and vegetables as well as utensils. This roll-up rack can withstand heat up to 400 degrees Celsius. You can use it to cool your foods without damaging the countertop. Overall, Kraus KRM10 Dish Rack considered as one of the best over the sink dish drying rack. At number 2, Sorbus over the sink dish drying display rack stand. Next up on the list is the dish rack from Sorbus. This rack perfectly implements the classic above the sink design, making it one of the most popular dish racks on Amazon. This iron-made rack has a supreme finish that looks and feels classy. It's got space for almost everything, from dishes and bowls to cutting boards and cleaners. There's a dedicated compartment for holding knives and a plastic cutlery box right alongside it. It can hold up to 10 full-sized plates or at least 12 bowls easily. Moreover, the entire rack is a multifunctional set of components. These include a fruit and vegetable basket, a plate rack, a bowl rack, a knife holder, a utensil holder cage, a chopping board holder, a square basket for cleaning supplies, and hanging hooks. The rack is designed to be strong and sturdy. It can hold up to 12 bowls or 10 plates at a time easily. It's made of galvanized steel, which is completely rust-proof. At number 3, HEOMU 2-tier over the sink dish drying rack. This compact, beautiful dish drying rack by HEOMU is ideal for large kitchens. It's made of high-quality stainless steel, it's rust-resistant, and can hold a large number of plates and utensils. The HEOMU 2-tier dish rack's length can be adjusted between 33 or 36 inches. So if you have a large 36 inches sink or you want to replace it later, rest assured that this rack will fit over any sink. This versatile kitchen appliance contains a number of racks, which include separate holders for plates, cutlery, bowls, detergents, etc. It's also capable of holding large pans and dishware. In short, it's everything you need for an organized kitchen if you're in shortage of storage space. The rack measures 36.5 x 11.5 by 31 inches. Being adjustable, its length can be increased to 39 inches if necessary. It weighs around 9.5 pounds. This thing is made of 304 stainless steel, which is rust-proof and durable. If properly used, it can easily last at least 4 to 5 years. At number 4, ISPECLE Large Premium Steel Dish Rack. Next up is another amazing dish drying rack from ISPECLE. Made of premium stainless steel, it can hold more weight than its own body. The premium finish also adds a touch of class to your kitchen design aesthetic. This space-saving rack can be used in most kitchens due to its smaller build. However, it can hold a great number of kitchen appliances and tools, and it can genuinely be your one-stop for everything in the kitchen. From tools and utensils to fruits and vegetables, everything can be stored with ease. Its dimensions are 34 by 11 by 23 inches and it weighs around 5.9 pounds. Made of rust-resistant 201 stainless steel. Due to the strong build, it can hold up to 28 pounds of weight. In order to make sure the rack is stable and holds itself well, rubber pads have been placed at the legs. This provides a good grip on most surfaces and keeps the rack still. The product comes in 6 parts, which are plate rack, bowl rack, knife holder, chopping board holder, movable hooks, and washing tool stand. At number 5, Neato over the sink kitchen dish drainer rack. Presenting to you what's possibly the best in-sink dish rack on the market right now. The benefits of having an in-sink rack are many, especially in kitchens with limited counter space. Moreover, as the water drops directly to the sink, it does its job perfectly without creating any mess. This over-the-sink dish drainer is no different. It's designed to be simple, but it does its job beautifully. Perfectly sized to fit into most kitchen sinks, yet leaves enough room for you to clean dishes properly. Also, it can be moved anywhere in the kitchen while not in use to save space. The rack measures approximately 13.00 x 8, 27 by 4.92 inches. The smaller dimensions enable it to fit into most sinks regardless of size. It's made of plastic-coated stainless steel wires. The coating prevents rust. The base handles are also covered with plastic pads to prevent scratches. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comments section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.